Hi everyone, Jamie O'Banion, CEO and founder of BeautyBio. And I've had so many people ask me recently, what is your nighttime routine? It can be so confusing with all of the different serums, creams, ingredients in the marketplace. Where do you start? And it's really, really simple. At night, we want to help stimulate the skin, hydrate the skin, and provide it the key vitamins that it needs. So any great nighttime routine has vitamin A or retinol in it. What I like to do is really easy. Step one, you're gonna cleanse your face. I love our Balance Cleanser that really helps to condition the skin, takes off all of my eye makeup, my face makeup. I don't even need a toner because my skin feels so supple and conditioned after I'm done. Then I move on to my Glow Pro. So after swiping my skin with the prep pad, then I take my Glow Pro, turn it on, and this has tiny little micro needles that help to almost vertically exfoliate the skin. If you're a gardener, you'll totally understand this analogy of aerating the garden. So I just glide the tool over my skin just like this. You can focus in on those areas where you want that extra firming. Maybe it's around the eye area. Maybe it's the nasolabial, the nose to mouth line. Just like this, 60 seconds all over. You can even take it on the chin, under the neck, the décolleté as well. And now those little micro channels are activated and they're ready to receive the key nutrient, that vitamin A retinol. I love to use the nightly vitamin A serum. So you'll just apply that to the skin right after you've Glow Pro'd and it just drinks right in. And then we want to seal it all in with rich, gorgeous hydration. I recommend the Zen Bubble Gel Cream we launched this year. It's been so popular. And what I love about it the most is it goes from this beautiful, beautiful cream, bursts onto the skin into a silk flood. You can literally feel it of hydration and wraps the skin in this gorgeous cocoon. So you wake up with that flawless, glowing skin. So cleanse, Glow Pro, apply your vitamin A, then seal it all in with incredibly rich hydration. Enjoy.